Hi, I'm Lisa Loveday, and I'm here to show you what yogis buy for themselves for holiday gifts. As you can see behind me, there's a number of boxes I'm going to be unboxing for you. They are all yoga-related items. How exciting. So I bought myself a few, I guess you could call them New Year's gifts, because it was really after the holidays. I used the gift card that I got from my mother-in-law. There's been some things that I've wanted for quite a while that I think will help my yoga practice, help me get deeper into some of the poses. It's not that I have a New Year's resolution and that oh, never mind my switchblade here. That's not about us, that's for later. Yeah, it's not so much of a resolution. I think that these might help. They might be like little magnets to get my soul and my mind and my body back on the mat, because it's just really easy to get distracted, especially when you're like me and maybe you think you have a little ADD, or just you see something shiny over there and you forget about your intentions to, get on the mat. And when you do have a consistent practice, I know, because I've been there, your life just improves in every way. Like it really improves the overall quality of life all around. And so I figured it was a worthwhile investment. So I started with the mat. I guess we'll start with opening the mat, since I just told you what that one is. It's not going to be a true unboxing because my husband, I guess he didn't know what it was, and he opened it. I have not yet actually looked at my mat, though. I know it's my mat, I'm pretty sure. I hate the plastic packaging. I do reuse this. I wish that they did something else. I don't like that. Okay, so it's like way down there in the box. Once you get that stuff out, it's like there's a lot of extra box here. I don't know why that needs to be either. This one I ordered from Manduka. Look at this baby. Ooh. There's like hardly even any smell. I thought it was going to smell like rubbery and stuff. And I love this label. It's like so soft, and it feels like satin. I don't even want to take the label off. I've heard so many good things about these mats. Every yoga teacher I know who's seriously a pro, just like it says, this one's the Pro Light, but yeah, like every yoga teacher says these are the best. They last forever. You can use it every day for years and years, and it's just your faithful trusty, like long-time partner, me love you long time yoga mat. I'm really excited, can you tell? Okay, either way, enjoy the process and your new mat. Oh my gosh, what a wonderful way to start the new year. Yoga presents. I'm actually a minimalist. I will probably be breaking it in by using it. I don't think I'll do that sea salt thing, but yeah, I can't wait to actually break it open and use it. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Told you it would be time soon for this. This is actually kind of fun. I once had a job where I just had to all the time peel off all these stickers, peel stickers, and there'd be like tons and tons of boxes. First world problems. Okay. It's like now I see stickers like this and I automatically almost think I have to pull them off for some reason, and I don't. I think I know what this one is. Yeah, okay, they use paper. I reuse that too. A lot of packaging. Oh yay, yes. So in my video about how to get downward dog with your heels down, how to get your heels down in downward dog, I talked about the yoga wedge, and I did not have my own yoga wedge at this time. This one is like 1.5 inches at its highest point. And I think that would probably be enough for me to bridge the gap between where my heels actually land and the floor. So I think that would be enough height for me. If someone's heels were way up off the ground when they go into down dog, they could maybe stack 2 wedges or get a thicker wedge if they have those. It's also wrapped in plastic, and then it has like this grease smudge on it. I don't know if you can see it. It's not even been opened yet, and it has like a weird little smudge on it already. But I don't care because it's just gonna go under my feet. And I hope it will help me get my heels down. I might do another video, an update to the one I did earlier, which I'll put a card up here so you can link to that one if you're interested in seeing how to get your heels down in down dog if that's a problem for you. Where did this one come from? Good way to start the new decade, I think. Investing in your health, investing in things that make you happy and things that you will use. I forgot that I got Manduka blocks. For some reason, I was thinking they were just going to be generic. Yay! That is so cool, and I love the color. Now these, I don't see any weird grease smudges. And then on the back, it has a little engraving that says practice on. They're so cool. Yeah, this is awesome. I've actually, in all my years as a yogi, never owned blocks of my own. It's going to be my first time having my own blocks. And, oh, they're made from recycled foam. Wow. And they feel so heavy and like high quality. They feel so solid. I can't wait. I'm very excited to use these items. I am a minimalist, I swear. I've always called myself a minimalist. I've always identified with that way of being. And I don't like a whole lot of stuff. But I guess I'm not an extreme minimalist, but I do vibe with that aesthetic. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, I really don't want to harm this. I know what this is. Here we go. I hope it's as cool as it looked on the website. I hope I didn't nick it. Almost, okay. All right, switchblade, I think we're good. All right, here's what it looks like. Can you see it? It says yoga wheel. I'll point this down so you can see. I do need it again. Oh, Tranquil Yogi. And it has the chakras emblazoned on the outer cork edge, and then the inner part has colored ones. I didn't realize they were going to be colored. I don't know why. I thought they were just like gray. I don't remember seeing this. It's so cool. Can you see how pretty that is? Ooh, those colors, the chakra colors. This is nice. Yoga wheel, something I've been wanting to work with for a long time. I've tried them here and there, like at a fitness show that I went to. They had a demo one out on the floor and people could try it. So this, like having it in home is gonna really give me the opportunity to get on the thing, work with it, use it, and get creative with it. I'm gonna do a follow-up video on these items and just let you know how they work. And, you know, my thoughts on them after trying them. All I have now is initial impressions to go on. Gosh, it's pretty. If you liked this video, please give it a like and go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already. We'll do more videos soon. Hope to see you back here pretty soon. Namaste.